Hi beauties, welcome to today's video. As you can see, we're at a totally different spot. I recently got back into doing my nails using Polygel, and I did want to show you how I created this beautiful set right here. This pink is actually color changing when it gets warm. Let me warm it up for you. When they get warm, they turn white. So you can see that one's still cold. Those ones are kind of white. So I'm just going to quickly show you how to do this. For the plastic form, I am using the Copper plastic form system. This is from Amazon. I'm going to show you on my thumb, so I'm just using the number 1. The Polygel colors that I'm using is this by Hoo or Ohuhu. It is the temperature change color in 12. And then for the top French manicure kind of thing where the sparkles are, I'm using the Diamond Nail Extension Gel, also by Ohuhu. We have the base coat and the glossy top coat. You'll also need a nail file, this fancy little tool, and your slip solution. If you don't have slip solution, you can use isopropanol. So I'm going to pour a little bit of that into the lid. First, I'm going to start by filing the top of my nail. Remember, I am not a nail tech by any means. This is just what I do when I feel like doing my nails. We're going to start with the base coat, and then we're going to cure that for a minute. My light is by Sun One. It is the UV LED nail lamp. This is from Amazon. I turn mine onto the 60-second timer, and then when it turns off, I know I'm ready to go on. Okay, now that that part is done, we go on to building the actual nail. So I have my form. I'm going to take the first pink color. I'm going to squeeze, okay, let's see if I can get up closer. I'm going to squeeze just a bit of that into the bottom. And then I'm going to do the same with the diamond, but I'm going to put it right above it. If I can squish it out. So that it looks like that. Now you're going to want to take your brush, dip it in your slip solution, and just begin pushing that and shaping it. You don't have to work quick. It's not going to dry up unless you put it under the UV light. So you have time to muck around with it. Make it nice and smooth. Now we're going to just press it onto the nail, and then I'm going to put it under the UV light. I do tend to kind of hold it down for a minute so it starts to cure. so it doesn't pop off. There. Now I can just let it cure for the full minute. Alright, when you pull it out, you're gonna have something like that. You're just going to twist this form until it pops off, just like that. Now is where you start to file it. First I do the shape and the length, and then I do right over top of everything. Now I'm just going to brush away all of that. If you guys want to see in my nail drawer after to see how I organize everything, wait till the end of the video and I'll give you a quick peek on what's inside of that. Now I'm going to take the glossy top coat and apply a good layer of that and then cure it one more time and we are done. There you have it. Once the top coat has a chance to cure, you are left with a beautiful set of nails that looks like you just came home from the nail salon, but you didn't spend an arm and a leg. And for those of you that want to see inside of this desk, now is your chance. This is just a little IKEA desk. I have a little ottoman thing there. My light sits on top. When we open it up, it looks like this. I have just a nail file, all of my gel, polygel colors in here, different nail forms back there. I don't know why that's in there. Some nail tools here, some different decorating things in here. All my glitters and gold flakes, things like that. Clamps to help hold them on when you cure them. Slip solutions, little brush. These are some of my gel polishes. Here's some more nail forms, more tools back there. And that is it. If you guys like videos like this and want to see how to do more easy polygel nails, then give this video a big thumbs up so I know to make more. And if you're not already a part of the Min's Beauty family, what are you waiting for? Head down there or there and hit subscribe. And until next time, have a fabulous day.